Kami.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Mr. Nivera?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're from Corregaro Leyte. So, tell me about yourself.
Thank you, sir. First of all, sir, thank you for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed today. My name is Gerald Panin Rivera, and I am positive person. I am hardworking, energetic, and resilient.
Okay.
So, I am from Barangay Paragong, Carigara, Leyte.
Mm-hmm.
And before I apply here, I spent some time reading the job described to make sure I have the necessary skill and qualities to do this job, sir.
Okay. So, based on your resume, what's your strength and weakness?
My strength is I am good at communication and I have skill that I can apply in this company, sir. And as for weakness, it is difficult for me to ask for help when I needed it because I always try to figure things out for myself when I am encountered problem, sir.
Uh, so, do you know what the name of the company you applying for?
Um, yes, sir. I know the name of your company, sir. It's Rock Technician Company, sir. I I apply this Rock Technician Company, sir, because in my schooling, sir, I
Graduate.
I graduate in Rock by major in BIT Rock Air Conditioning, sir.
So good job. So, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself still working in this company, sir, and having gained promotion to a senior level. In 5 years from now, I would be someone who could be used, used to help train new employees when they join our company, sir.
Okay, so then the first and the second questions. Why should we hire you?
You should hire me, sir, because I have some skill you're looking for to fit the position I applying for this company. And I see myself improving and come into positive outcome.
So do you have any question for us?
No, sir.
Thank you. Let me call you later. So, thank you for applying this.
Thank you, sir.